How many times have you glancing around the room or down at your phone when someone else was trying to talk to you? I don't know about you, but I know a lot of managers who are very smart people, except when it comes to listening. Instead of fully hearing what someone is trying to communicate, they cut them off, finish their sentences, or jump to conclusions. They start looking around or down at their phones. Part of having a caring mindset is being able to listen thoughtfully, on purpose. Without actively listening, you will only get part of the story. Here is an example. Recently, someone you manage has been coming into the office late and leaving early. Her performance is not what it used to be, and she's not keeping up with her peers. Everyone else has to pick up the slack. She also happens to be from a different ethnic and cultural background than most of the people in your organization, including yourself. Instead of approaching her directly and trying to understand what is going on, you make assumptions. Instead of asking and then listening to what might be the reason for her behavior, you become angry and resentful. You put up barriers and filters that prevent you from seeing beyond what is in front of you. As you can see, things can quickly spiral out of control. Genuine listening is not just about hearing. It is also about observing, empathizing, and understanding. Maybe this employee really is not pulling her weight and you need to make a change. But maybe she's dealing with a temporary problem at home, such as a sick child or parent or even something worse. If you don't reach out and listen, you won't know. If you really do listen and learn that she's facing a crisis that will pass, you might give her a pass for a while and even ask how you might help, and by offering, for example, flexible hours while she works through her crisis. It's important to ask, but it's more important to listen.